Somebody keyed my car while I was out eating, so of course I had to get revenge. At first, I actually didn't even notice it until a couple days later, and then I started backtracking and thinking about every place I ever went to, and eventually I did get security footage of the culprit. And by complete God's luck, I barely got his license plate on my car's camera.
Yo, you seen this? Holy we got it.
Of course, I reported it to the police, and I thought we were easily gonna find this guy, but the police ended up doing absolutely nothing. So I took things into my own hands. I hired a private investigator, and sure enough, eventually we found his address and his car. But instead of just keying it back, I lit it on fire. Watch me do even crazier things right here.